A computer's power is determined by the technology it uses and not the size. Firstly, they start measuring a computer by looking at its clock speed, which is measured in megahertz or gigahertz, but later I found out that it is not a true reflection. Then they start measuring the performance in cache, which is a storage space for data that can be used in the future. Now, to determine whether the computer runs or how quickly the computer runs through all its processes, this is called benchmarking, and it's also used to determine how the computer performs. But computers is roughly divided into 4 categories. The first one is a supercomputer. Now, supercomputers, like this example of the computers at NASA, is used to do calculations or large calculations. For example, when people need to do weather forecasting or run physical simulations like flight simulations or do climate research. The second group of computers is the mainframe computers, and they are used in large organizations, which is also called big iron. They use big databases. For example, the government will use that to save their census information, and banks also make use of this. Then we have the mini computer, which is between the mainframe computer and the personal computer. It's a much more powerful computer than the computer that people are usually using. Now, if I look at the personal computer, we get various sorts of personal computers. For example, we get a desktop, where the name comes from the computer is standing on a desk. Then we have the laptops, which is a portable computer. We have a very small computer that fits in one's hand, which is called the palm top. Nowadays we have the tablets. We also have the tablet PC, which is a hybrid kind of computer, something between a laptop and a tablet. But many of these computers are also connected to one another through a network.